Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
Yeah!
I'm gonna show you.
Pappy. Oh, Pappy.
Huh? I was just watching Buzzsah.
Hey, Uncle Buzz.
It's mail call time again. Yeah. Okay, mail call number 8 coming at you. And if you watched mail call number 7, you would have seen me get this t-shirt from E&Y Gath. And I told you I'd wear it on the next mail call, so here it is. Go check out Ian's channel. I'll put it in the description of this video, so look down there and click on that. Check out Ian's channel. He can read you a book while he's cooking a meal. Yeah, check him out. Okay, the first mail call goes out to a channel called Gounderus. And I got a little note here from Michael. He says, all my best to you. I appreciate you, brother. Well, I appreciate you too, Michael. Michael, aka Gounderus. And here's his sticker. He is a more extreme intellectual talent, and he's over the top. And he plays a professional nose harp. Go check him out. He's in the description. Okay, the next mail I call comes from The next mail call comes from Brad's Workbench. Here's Brad's sticker. Okay, Brad's channel, he puts the word work in bench. You know, you go to his channel, I have seen a lot of cool stuff and learned a lot of stuff too, so check out Brad's Workbench. There's links in the description of this video. Okay, the next mail call goes to, it's a double deucer, Tipsy, Trippin, Rednecks, and Mrs Trippy, Hazed and Blazed.
Yeah.
So
It's a feel-good
here's
song.
a sticker for Tipsy, Trippin, Rednecks. And there's a sticker for Hazed and Blazed with Miss Trippy. All right, got a little card here from kind of a thank you. I sent them my sticker, so voila, I've got their stickers. P.S. Miss Trippy loves stickers. Pappy's Corner, thank you very much for the stickers. You have an awesome channel. A huge thank you for the continued support. The wife asked me to include a few stickers for her channel. Hope you like them. Much love and respect from Tipsy, Trippin, Rednecks. Thank you very much.
Put your hands together.
And I'll get those stickers up on the board.
I'd like to dedicate this
Check them out.
Okay, there's Gounderus and
any person in
Hazed
the
and
world,
Blazed with Miss Trippy,
Fear that
Tipsy,
different person
Trippin,
in the world,
Rednecks, Brad's Workbench.
or a big booty.
Okay, I'm going to give you a preview of the channels that are still commenting on my videos. Big W Adventures, Shade Tree Fix-It Man, E&Y Gath. I just got a howdy from Ichiban Moto, Calvin's Corner, Mudbed 59,
Yeah.
Rusty's Glove Box,
Feel-good song. Put your hands together.
Redneck Manufacturing, Buzzsah, Steve and Connie, Steve, AZ 711, and Connie, AZ 21. Papa, Texas. And I even got a comment from DIY Misfit Mechanic this time. All right. Of course, Drive Shaft Drew. He supports you. You support him. Good news, travelers. Missouri old timer. Brat Ryder, old Brat Ryder. Scott Pearson, tools and more. Straight 6 fan.
There you have it. Another mail call. Mail call number 8 from the corner. Thanks for watching. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.